Welcome back to this channel. For those ones who are new, I'm called Rachel Nekesa Wangili. In this channel, I teach sign language. So, in this video, we are going to look at transport and related terms. Road. We use add hand shape, both hands, then the movement is forward. Road. Tarmac road. Tarmac road, road, black. Tarmac road. Maram road. Road, brown. Road, brown. Way. 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 We use W hand shape, both hands, then the movement is same as road. Way. Way. Path. 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 We use P hand shape, both hands, then moving forward. Path. Park. Park. This is parking a vehicle. Park. The action. Park. This is American 3, then an open palm. Park. Park. Then parking, whereby this is a place for parking the vehicles. It is park. Park. Airport. 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 The thumb, the index finger, and the small finger in an open palm. Airport. Airport. Aeroplane. 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 Helicopter. 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 Passenger. Passenger. Conductor. You show how they beat up or they tap on the vehicles or matatus. Conductor. License. License. Drive. Drive. Driver's license or driving license. Drive license. Car. Car. Car or car. Car or car. You show how vehicles are formed, shaped. Flat in the front, then they come up, then they go flat also. So, car. Receipt. 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 You show how you tear the receipt from the receipt book. Receipt. Travel. 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 You use index fingers, alternatively going forward. Travel. Tour. 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 So, travel, going forward, then tour, sideways. tour. Bridge, bridge, bridge. So the hand, then we make a V, it touches this place and towards the elbow. 1, 2. Bridge. Accident, accident, accident. Happen, happen, happen. Challenge, challenge, challenge. So the difference between accident, happen, and challenge is accident, 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 happen, 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 then challenge, challenge, challenge. Wheelchair, wheelchair, wheelchair. You show how the people who use wheelchairs move the wheelchair. Rocket, rocket. You show using the index finger how the rocket goes up. It is usually very fast. Rocket. Traffic or jam. Traffic, traffic. Pedal, pedal. This is also the sign for bicycle. Bicycle. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Puncture. You show how the tires always go down because of a puncture. Submarine, submarine, submarine. We use American tree and an open palm facing down, and this one goes under and goes up. So submarine, submarine. Cart or mkokoteni. You show how those people pull the mkokoteni. It's always here and they are pushing and using a lot of energy. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. A company or escort so follow, it is an open palm which is bent. Follow, follow. But a company or escort, we use index finger pointing down. A company or escort. Bus, bus, bus. B hand shapes, both hands. Bus. The active one goes backwards and this one also goes forward. Bus. Coach, coach, coach. This is like easy coach, which are always like this in the front. Coach. Battery, battery, battery. Sheep, sheep. Boat, sheep, small. Boat. Canoe, bonnet. Bonnet. We use S hand shape and show how bonnets of vehicles or cars are opened. Bonnet. Street. 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 We use S hand shape and the same movement as way. Street. Street. Lane. 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 L hand shape, same movement as street. Lane. Lane. Lorry. 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 We use L hand shapes and lorry. Move it a little bit backwards near the shoulders. Lorry. Ambulance. Ambulance. Taxi. Taxi. Train. 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 Matatu. 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 Tractor. Tractor. The difference between tractor and ambulance is ambulance, it is moving, but tractor, fast or speed. Fast. Slowly or slow. There are more videos on your screen. Please tap on any in order to watch them, and there is also a round button on your screen. Tap on the round button in order to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you'll be notified all the time I post a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.